You are cordially invited to attend this year's AAHRS and CAHRS Conjoint Scientific Meeting in Hangzhou from the 6th to 9th of June. Hangzhou in China has a rich cultural heritage and has been designated a historic and cultural city. It has a history going back to the dawn of Chinese civilization about 5,000 years ago, being the capital of various dynasties, and is best known for Buddhism and associated temple architecture and artwork. Also known as the Heaven on Earth, Hangzhou is highly regarded as one of the most beautiful cities in China that offers a unique blend of natural beauty. The city is home to the stunning West Lake, which is surrounded by lush greenery and ancient temples. Visitors can take a boat ride on the lake, cycle around it, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll. Hangzhou is also known for its delicious cuisine, and visitors can sample local delicacies. Those who love shopping must visit Qingdafeng Pedestrian Street, Hangzhou's busiest and oldest street lined with shops, museums, tea houses, restaurants, and traditional snacks. In 2023, Hangzhou hosted the 19th Asian Games. Modern buildings such as the Olympic Sports Center Stadium, also known as the Big Lotus, was constructed where more than 12,000 athletes from 45 nations and territories competed in the Games. Hangzhou has a vibrant nightlife with many activities to do. You can watch a night show staged on West Lake with lights, music, and dancing, reproducing the thousand-year ancient folk legends and myths of Hangzhou. As night falls, the lights on the banks of the canal in Hangzhou's central business district will be switched on. You can take a night cruise or simply walk along the bank to see the light show, with 700,000 LED lights installed on the facade of 30 high-rise buildings. The lights change color with the music. A fountain show begins at the same time. The combination of colorful lights and beautiful fountains will give you an enjoyable nighttime experience. There are also many bars and clubs in Hangzhou opening up to midnight. With its beautiful scenery, rich cultural heritage, and delicious cuisine, Hangzhou is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to China. Come and join us. We are sure you would have a good time.